Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking hosting or WordPress. This decides control and cost, so choose now. Once chosen, install the official WordPress app and open it. Sign in or create an account, then enter your site name and admin email. Make sure to enable notifications and permissions for media access. This first burst gets the platform ready so you can build. Once done, you'll have a live dashboard on your phone to continue creating pages and posts. Now you configure the core. Choose a responsive theme so pages render well on small screens, and customize basic colors and header. Next, go to Settings to set the site title, tagline, permalinks to post name, and your time zone. Install key plugins, SEO for discoverability, caching for speed, and security to protect logins. Make sure to update plugin settings, then preview changes. These steps shape performance and searchability before you add content. Finish by building core pages. Create a home page with clear heading and CTA, add an About page, and set up a contact form. Use the block editor to place text and images, optimize file sizes, and assign featured images. Preview on mobile, test navigation, and all links, then publish. If updates don't appear, clear cache and refresh. One troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, disable recently added plugins and re-enable them one by one to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.